Hello everybody and welcome. In this video I'm going to show you how to install application for your OPPO ENCO AIR3S on your Android device. You have to start by open Play Store and now go to search. Click on search line here or click on search here and write Hey Melody. Now search and you should install this application. Now open it, agree and continue, and we did it! You can also click Add and click Allow. Thank you for watching this video. If you found it helpful, please consider subscribing to the channel and leave the like on the video, it's really important to us. See you later!